In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the icon of a PDF file on your desktop with just a few simple steps. This can be really helpful for organizing your files or just for giving your desktop a personalized touch. Let's dive right in. First, you need to locate the PDF file whose icon you want to change. Take a moment to find it in your folders or within your File Explorer. Once you've located it, there are a few things to keep in mind. If you're dealing with lots of files, giving each one a unique icon can make it so much easier to manage your documents visually. Next, when you found the PDF, you're going to want to right-click on the file. This will bring up a contextual menu with various options. Specifically, look for the Send To option. Hover over it, and you'll notice another drop-down menu appearing with more choices. Click on Desktop, Create Shortcut. This action places a shortcut of your PDF on the desktop, which is crucial for changing the icon without affecting the original file properties. Now head over to your desktop. You'll see the newly created shortcut of your PDF file there. Find it and then right-click on the shortcut to bring up the Properties menu. This part is essential as it opens up further customization options for your shortcut. Once you've opened the Properties menu, you'll see several tabs at the top. Make sure you're in the Shortcut tab if not already there. From here, you'll spot a button labeled Change Icon. Go ahead and click that. This will open a separate window where you can choose a new icon for your PDF shortcut. You can browse through a variety of icons presented in a list, or if you prefer, browse your files for a custom icon you might have downloaded or created. When you found the icon that speaks to you the most, click on it to select it, and then press OK to confirm your selection. Finally, hit Apply followed by OK in the Properties window to save all the changes you've made. You'll immediately notice that your PDF shortcut on the desktop has now taken on the new icon you've selected. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the icon of your PDF file, adding a bit more personality and organization to your desktop environment. This simple method doesn't alter the original PDF file, so you can rest easy knowing your document's contents are safe and unchanged. Using this technique can also be a great way to visually manage projects or categories without delving into file names. Give it a try with a few more files to bring a fresh look to your digital workspace.